Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Open Blender and start by choosing Edit, then Preferences to access global settings. The Preferences window organizes options into tabs like Interface, Themes, and System. I recommend increasing interface scale to 1, 25 for sharp text on high DPI displays and larger monitors. Next, go to Save and Load and enable autosave. Set the autosave interval to 2 minutes to reduce data loss risk during crashes. Close the Preferences window after applying changes and continue working with a more comfortable setup. Now focus on performance settings under System to speed up Blender. Choose CUDA or OptiX depending on your GPU to enable GPU rendering for faster results. Lower the number of undo steps to 32 to reduce memory usage while preserving sufficient history for edits. In viewport settings, limit OpenGL texture size to 2048 to improve viewport responsiveness on mid-range machines. Finally, set VSync off when benchmarking and restart Blender to ensure system changes take effect immediately. Customize input and add-ons to match your preferred workflow and speed. In the Keymap tab, switch to the industry-compatible keymap if you prefer standard shortcuts. You can also remap individual keys and set left mouse select to match other applications. Next, open the Add-ons tab and enable Node Wrangler and Loop tools for faster material and mesh tasks. Configure any enabled add-on preferences and save them with the Save Preferences button so your custom workflow loads every time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.